Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Daily. I'm Wilbert.
And I'm Donna. We're so happy you're here today.
Whether you're relaxing at home, driving to work, cooking dinner, or practicing your English, thank you for spending a few minutes with us.
Today's lesson is all about shopping at a grocery store. This is one of the most useful conversations you can learn because everyone goes grocery shopping.
That's right. Maybe you're visiting another country, or maybe you live in an English-speaking country. Knowing these simple expressions will make shopping much easier.
We'll listen to a natural conversation, explain useful expressions, practice speaking together, and help you feel more confident using English in real life.
So, grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's learn English together.
Imagine this. You need to buy rice, eggs, bread, and milk, but you don't know where everything is.
Don't worry. Today, we'll show you exactly what to say. Let's listen to our conversation.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Hi, yes please. I'm looking for rice.
Of course. The rice is on aisle 5.
Thank you. Oh, where can I find eggs?
They're next to the milk.
Great. Do you have brown eggs?
Yes, we do. They're on the top shelf.
Perfect. I also need some bread.
The bakery section is over there.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else?
Yes. Can I pay by card?
Absolutely. We accept cash and all major cards.
That's great. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
That sounded like a real conversation, didn't it?
Yes, and the best part is that these are expressions you can use almost every time you go shopping. Let's learn them one by one.
Can I help you?
When someone works in a store, they often ask, "Can I help you?" It simply means, "Do you need any help?"
If someone asks you that question, don't be nervous. You can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you. I'm just looking." Both are polite answers.
I'm looking for... This is one of the most useful sentences in English. You can say, I'm looking for rice, I'm looking for apples, I'm looking for coffee, I'm looking for toothpaste.
Just change the last word and you're ready to shop anywhere.
Where can I find... Maybe you can't see what you need. You can ask, where can I find bread? Where can I find milk? Where can I find vegetables?
People usually show you exactly where it is. Easy and very useful.
Do you have... Sometimes you're not sure if the store sells something, so ask, do you have soy milk? Do you have brown eggs? Do you have fresh fish?
If they have it, they'll say, yes, we do. If not, no, we don't. Simple.
Can I pay by card? When you're ready to pay, this is a great question. Can I pay by card?
If you have cash, you can also say, I'll pay in cash. Very easy.
Now, let's practice speaking together. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect. Just repeat after us. Ready?
I'm looking for rice. Very nice.
I'm looking for eggs. Excellent.
Can I pay by card? Fantastic. Remember, speaking slowly is perfectly okay. Clear English is better than fast English.
Now, it's your turn. I'll ask a question and you answer after the pause. Ready? Good. Can I help you? Maybe you said, yes, please. Great job.
What are you looking for? Maybe you answered, I'm looking for bread. Excellent.
Where can you find milk? Maybe you answered, it's next to the eggs. Very good.
Do you have apples? Possible answers are yes, we do, or no, we don't. Perfect. How will you pay?
Maybe you answered, I'll pay by card. Wonderful.
Let's do one more role play. Imagine you're at the grocery store. I'll be the employee. You answer me. Ready? Hello, can I help you? Great. Now say, I'm looking for milk. Excellent. Now I'll answer. It's on aisle 3. Anything else? Great. Now ask, can I pay by card? Perfect. You did an amazing job.
Review. Let's review today's useful expressions. Can I help you? I'm looking for. Where can I find? Do you have? Can I pay by card? Thank you. You're welcome.
These are simple English expressions, but you'll hear them almost every day. The more you listen, the more natural they'll become.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed practicing English with us.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need to practice a little every day. One conversation at a time, one sentence at a time, and you'll become more confident.
If this episode helped you, please like this video, subscribe to English Talk Daily, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
And before you go, tell us in the comments, what do you usually buy at the grocery store? Try answering in English.
We'll see you in our next episode.
Take care, keep practicing, and keep speaking English every day.
Bye, everyone. Happy learning.